Yellow. Wagwan YouTube. Those that are new, yeah, big up on yourself. Those that are back, yo, well appreciated taking the time to watch one of my videos. So this video is gonna be about me putting on a front lip on the M4 style bumper on my E90. I may have to big up R&P Auto, cause them brother they, yo, always a lookout, you understand? Because this is a job where I probably could have did it by myself, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna need their help with that. And luckily, if on a Saturday evening after the customers them left, the man keep the shop open to help take care of me, you understand? So yo, as we proceed,
talk about that man. I don't want that nigga man name over here. Wow. Negative vibes, that's negative energy. Wow. It's like me saying that
I kind of started this video kind of late, but right now we're in the process of putting on the front lip on the E90 here. I'm not even sure where Dante is at. I'm gonna take a look. I don't know why they put this big jalopy right here so I can't pass, but there goes Dante playing around with the lip. I don't know what he's doing, but he look well confused. Why the screw fell in there, you can't find it? Okay, that's... Now I'm gonna hear this jiggling, wiggling while I'm driving. Oh gosh, Dante. So now every time when you drive, I'm here, jiggling. I'm like, what's that noise, what, bro?
This literally just came out, bro.
ah man. But
Alright, so I have to run to the shop real quick before they close. Get this lip on for today. Here's the man Rudy himself. Get me all pissed off already. Just watching.
Rasta man business there, partner. We're not in a bowing business, you know. So man, not to sit down for my head like a dumb hat. I shake it, put back my heart, and it says Bronx veteran. You know how we do us at R&P Auto Repair. See the name, recognize the name, and know you come to get your work done. You hear me? R&P 1738 East Gun Hill Road. 1738 East Gun Hill Road. RMP.com. Link me up, and you get what you need. You heard? Peace.
Man endorsing putting his own commercial in here, but big him up still because shop was supposed to close and he decided to take me and put this lip on for me. So I wasn't even late, but he complained and said I was late. You know?
You woke up at 2 o'clock.
Yeah, this guy woke up at 2 o'clock.
You woke up at 2 o'clock, buddies.
I got here at 2 o'clock. Now I realized here about 1. But you know, he had so much work to deal with.
I know you didn't take no shower this morning, baddies. You just got up, put on your clothes, and you said, I'm going to go fuck around with you.
You see? You see the foolishness I think I'll have to say?
This morning, you get up and say, let's go get some Bernie J, wash my ass up. You just decided
This guy talking bare foolish on my camera. But yeah.
I know you can walk in this. niggas why niggas is great driver. Coming out of the shop, making sure when the bitch there, backing that shit up, backing that bitch up like the back big booty bitches up, you hear me? Big butt girl.
Man love talk.
Big butt girl.
He makes it entertaining though.
The butt that bitch. I didn't tell him again. Alright, get up, put this straight back. Back. Get out.
I think this guy is playing around. Yo, I have to go pick up Gabby, man. Go. No, Modi. Alright, so yesterday I didn't get to shoot the video the way I wanted, you know what I'm saying? Rudy had given me a chance and let me come in the shop to get the lip put on real quick. They was closing and yo, I took advantage of it. So I didn't get to give you a full video, but right now I'm gonna show you the rest of the video, show you how the lip looks on the car too, but I didn't get a shot previously. But you know, check out my previous videos and you can see how the car look without the lip and you see it needed the lip. So yo, see the vibes right there.